Here we go. In an experiment, this concentration of calcium ions is mixed with keyword and equal volume of sulfate. So the question is, will a precipitate of calcium sulfate as well, which is sparingly soluble salt? How I know? They always give you KSP, so you know. Now, there is a trap, and therefore there is a shortcut reminder from your school. I believe you have seen this before in your notes. Since volume is now doubled after mixing the two solutions, the concentration of each ions will be halved. Now, first of all, what are we looking for? We basically are using this. The whole topic, later you'll see me saying, it only has one equation and one formula. Stick to it, don't ask why, and you'll be fine. It's always writing out this equation, or rather this equation, and then use the formula. So this is 1:1 ratio, 1:1, I mean. All right, now, the whole idea right now is you cannot just say, then what is KSP, right? Or what is the ionic product, right? What is the ionic product? Ionic product, therefore, is the two ions, right? Ca2 plus and SO42 minus. A lot of people take the value 1 times 10 minus 3 and dump in, and that is therefore wrong. They forgot about their mole calculation, all right? So let me just draw a two simple diagram for you, all right? That's how we teach set 3. Okay, it always works. All right, what is this? This is calcium 2 plus. This is SO42 minus. All right, if I pour this inside there, let's take a look what happened. All right, you're left with the unshaded beaker. Okay, assuming I have 1, 2, 3 calcium 2 plus, I have 1, 2, 3 sulfate ion. Later, when I add them together, this must be true. The volume has doubled, but the amount of solute will be the same in terms of mole. It's still 3 orange, 3 green. All right, so look at it once again. If this is 1 dm cube, this is 1 dm cube. This is therefore 2 dm cube. So again, what is square bracket? Square bracket is the mole of each solute divided by the total volume of the solution, set 3 itself. We won't do more calculation to show because it's too slow. So just be careful. All right, once you get it. So it must be divided by 2. Okay, everyone? Okay, more calculation. That's it. So what you'll be calculating is called the ionic product. All right, so the IP, ionic product, will then be the molar concentration, the actual one right now. All right, this one and this one. You realize the value is what? The value is -7. Ionic product. What is the KSP? -5. So it's smaller, so precipitation does not occur. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you would like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.